guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be hitting you with this Valentine's Day look right chill, or you can wear this anytime you want to actually. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with my moisturizer, and I'm using my favorite moisturizer of all time. This is the one from Etud House. I love that stuff, yo. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now I'm going in with my primer, and I am using the Naked Face primer. This is also from Etud House. This is their balancing primer that I use way too much of, and I'm going to pay the ultimate price because Ghostface Killer is coming to visit me again, and here she is. Alright, so in this video I'm using a whole lot of new products that are new to me. Products that's been out but are new to me. So I'm going in with the Kokie concealers and the Maybelline what is this? The Maybelline color corrector concealer situation. I actually really do like that concealer. It's just on top of all of that powder cake ash, not powder but the ash, it was looking kind of ash. Yeah, so now I'm going in with the Kokie concealer. This is their corrector actually, and this is in the color Peach, but as you're gonna see in a few minutes, peach on who? Not me. Not me at all. I will be trying that Maybelline concealer color corrector out again in another video, because I think I would like it because it reminds me of MAC's Prep and Prime and Peach Luster, but that Kokie concealer can go. Now I'm going in with the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation. This is in the color, y'all saw that on the screen, I missed it though. I had struggles with this pump. This pump was a struggle. I couldn't deal with that pump. This foundation was not very memorable to me. I recorded this video weeks ago, and I cannot tell you whether I like this foundation or not. It was not very memorable, so I would have to try it again to let you guys know in a second chance video, because I can't tell you if this was a matte finish, dewy finish, or semi-matte finish. I can't tell you what the coverage was like though. I did have to go in with a second layer, and I usually just like to be one and done, but I did have to go in with a second layer. It could be because of the primer underneath that was just too much ash. But I think I remember not being too impressed with it, but like I said again, I will have to go in with a second chance video and give that foundation a second chance, give that Maybelline concealer a second chance, but the concealers from Kokie can go straight to the trash. And I believe you can find Kokie at Walmart. It is a Walmart brand. It's new to Walmart. It's a Walmart brand. It did come out last year. I did purchase it last year. It's just, you know, life's been hectic. I'm just not trying it out this year, you know. Anywho, now we're going on to the eyes, and I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyelid primer. I shouldn't even show this in my videos anymore because this is redundant. I'm telling you, it's never going to change. This is the only eyeshadow primer I'm ever going to use. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out, and of course I apply that all over my mobile lids and underneath my bottom lids. Give that a good blendy blend. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop single eyeshadow in the color Notch, and I'm going to use that as a transitioning color. I was having too much fun in this video too. Y'all gonna see me dancing and singing a lot. That's because Pandora was killing it on Janae Aiko Radio. Killing it! Or was I listening to Bryson Tiller Radio? I go between both of them. I love them both. Now I'm taking the ColourPop single eyeshadow in the color Popular Demand, and I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit. We're going to deepen it up, give some definition, add some dimension. Going into the Feme Rosa She palette by KarrucheXColourPop, I am taking the color. What is this color? I believe this color is called. Oh, I forgot what this color is called. I'll have it in the description box. I want to say the color is called Desire, but I could be wrong. It's something with a D. I will leave it in the description box because apparently I forgot to put it in the video. Anyways, next I'm going in with the color Missy, and I'm going to use that to further deepen the crease. As I'm looking back at my video and I'm realizing this, to a lot of people, especially people who are not comfortable with makeup, seems like a lot of steps to get an eyeshadow look. These are important steps. You want a gradual blend from one color to the next. That's why so many of us use different colors to build up to the main color. You want that perfect transitional look in a blended eye color look. I'm going in with Coastal Scents, Hot Pot, and Midnight Blue. Unless you're going for a look that requires it to be just blunt. Most cases we're not, so you want that cohesive blend. You want it to blend from one color to the next. So sometimes it requires using a couple of colors to transition out to from the main color, if I'm making any sense. That is why I'm using so many different colors to achieve this look, because if I just went in just with one color or two colors, it wouldn't have been as cohesive or as nice. You know, you want that nice blend. Taking that same color and I'm using a flat smudger brush, and I'm using that I'm going to smudge it underneath my bottom lash line as well as close to my top lash line, just to add a further further dimension. Now I'm taking Missy again, and I'm going in, I'm just going to buff out and blend out that midnight blue color, which is funny, it's called midnight blue because it's technically purple, but whatever. Taking the Gal color from ColourPop out of the She palette with Karruche. I was not really impressed with this color. It looks beautiful in the palette. It looks beautiful swatch, but when I went to apply it on my eyelids, it was like, okay, man, what's happening? You ain't doing nothing for me right now. So I tried to go in with this color Wet and thought that, yeah, I was going to get that look I was looking for. Nah, bruh. That didn't happen either. I mean, if that's what you're going for, then you can just stop right here and put some lashes and liner on and call it a day. But it just didn't give me what I was wanting. I needed a little bit something extra, so I went in with the Milani Fierce Foils in Rome, and I'm taking the darker purple first and starting on the outer part of the eye where the darker purple is, where the darker eyeshadow is. I'm going to place the darker shimmer, and then in the center of all that, I'm placing the lighter purple pinky shimmer, and we're gonna get this real awesome transitional shimmer look here that turned out to be the icing on the cake. So yeah, I fell in love with this look after that. I thought I was a shiz, you know. I was feeling myself. And this is just the silicone applicator from e.l.f. that I'm using to apply this with. It's my favorite way to apply products, much like the Milani Fierce Foils. Now I'm taking the ColourPop single eyeshadow in the color Wake Up Call, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone area. Taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the color Lilac to Reality. I believe this was a limited edition, but I think they re-released it in a permanent edition, so I don't know. I think you could still get your hands on it. And I'm just going to take that color and put it in my inner tear duct. Because what's a Lala look without... What is a Lala makeup tutorial without having an inner corner highlight? I'm just saying. Taking the Rimmel Kohl Kajal pencil in the color Purple, and I'm just going to plop that all in the waterline, tops, and bottom. Taking my Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner in Trooper, and I'm just going to give myself a wing. You didn't see that part because apparently I wasn't pressing record, or I was totally out of frame, or both. I took the Pure Pro lashes in the color. Ooh, I forgot. I didn't catch it, but y'all catched it, right? Y'all saw that what lashes those was. Taking the Kokie Be Bright concealer in the color Medium. To who? Not to me, but okay, this is their shade of medium. So there we go. I'm gonna highlight up under my eyes. I don't really remember this concealer being all that either. Again, I might have to try it out in another video, but honestly, I'm done with these colors that don't suit me. Like, seriously, I'm so done. Drugstore. The only drugstore company I'm really gonna give praises to as far as their color range is Maybelline, and I swear each year they come out, they get better and better with their color range. And this year they're knocking it out the park with their color ranges. It's amazing how when us women of color, and I'm not just talking about black people, but all us women of color. Black people ain't the only women of color. But us women of color, when we make noise, it's amazing what happens when we make noise. I'm just saying. But Maybelline is stepping up their game. This here concealer, though, was a mess. I'm just going to let you know. I don't know if I'm going to try it again. It's a mess. I'm telling y'all right now that it's a mess. It's a mess. And I was also telling y'all that I look like a hot mess. But, hey, we're going to keep it trucking. We're going to make this work. Taking my favorite drugstore find of all time. This is the CoverGirl loose powder in the color medium. I've learned that they have a color honey. I need to find that color honey. I need to have honey in my life, but right now I'm taking medium and I'm using that to set up under my eyes. This makes any trash concealer look like cake. It makes it look like amazing, not cake as in cakey, but like it just makes it look real good, if that makes sense, because I like cake, so it makes it look real tasty. It makes it look real good underneath the eyes. Taking my black Radiance finishing powder. This was in the milk chocolate one, and I'm just setting the rest of my face. Taking my e.l.f. finishing powder in the color deep dark, and I'm gonna contour those cheekbones. Not like I need it because my cheekbones are higher enough, but hey, we're being extra for Valentine's Day, okay? And plus, I need to bring some color back in my face because the struggles. Now taking my Becca Sunlit bronzer in the color Maui Nights, and I'm just going to bronze up and further blend out that contour because I don't like a harsh contour. I just like, you know, just to redefine my cheekbones. That's all I need. Add a little color back to my face. Taking the Kokie Blush Up Trio in Demure, and I'm going to use that to add a little further color to my face. And I actually really like this trio minus the really light color on the end. My camera's not doing the colors any justice though. Those colors are actually deeper than they look, but studio lighting. This just gave a really soft flush to the cheeks, and I really like that. Now I am about to apply some highlight, but before I get there, I need to spray the face, and this is the Mario Badescu Rose Water and Aloe Spray, my jam. And now we're gonna get ready to light this face, okay? We taking the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and this is in Molten Gold. This highlighter from the drugstore, Maybelline, I've already said that they are doing their thing in the drugstore. This highlighter though, I am all here for that. All here for that right there. I believe the new term the young cats are using these days is shooketh. I am shooketh. I said young cats. Girl, how old is you, Lala? You ain't that damn old to be talking about some young cats. Help me. Yep, I was shooketh. Now we're moving on to the lips, taking that Jordana lip liner in the color Cabernet, and we're gonna line them lips as I jam. I think I was listening to Tory Lanez, is that his name? At that time, and I was jamming. I'm telling you, Janae Wakeup. What is wrong with me, y'all? I can't even talk. Janae Echo Radio. Echo, what? How she say her name? Echo? Is it Echo or Echo? Whoever. I love her though. I love her. Now taking the Kokie liquid lipstick in the color Duchess. Now this right here, their liquid lipsticks, I will give 20 million diva thumbs up because this liquid lipstick was everything. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that bell twice so you get all my notifications. Don't forget to comment, and I will check you guys in the next video. Bye guys.